ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It is based on the GPT Generative Pre-trained Transformer architecture, specifically the GPT 3.5 variant. GPT models are designed to understand and generate human-like range of internet text and is capable of conversational interactions with users. Using deep learning techniques, ChatGPT has learned to predict the most probable next word or phrase given a context. It can generate coherent and contextually appropriate responses based on the input it receives. ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, including answering questions, providing explanations, generating creative text, and engaging in conversation. It's important to note that ChatGPT is a language model and doesn't possess real-time knowledge or awareness of specific events that occurred after its knowledge cutoff, which is in September 2021. Here's a high-level overview of how ChatGPT works. Number 1. Input processing. When you provide a message or prompt to ChatGPT, it first processes the text to understand the context and meaning. This involves tokenizing the text into smaller units such as words or subwords, and encoding them in a numerical format that the model can work with. Number 2. Contextual understanding. ChatGPT uses the encoded input to create a representation of the context. It considers the previous messages in the conversation and generate a response accordingly. This allows ChatGPT to provide relevant and coherent answers. Number 3. Response generation. Based on the context and the input you provided, ChatGPT generates a response. It predicts the most likely next words or tokens that follow the input and generates a coherent and relevant output based on its training data, correctness, and making minor corrections or adjustments as needed. Number 5. Output delivery. Finally, ChatGPT presents the generated response to you, and the process repeats as you continue the conversation by providing additional input or follow-up questions. The response is then decoded from the numerical format back into human-readable text. Number 4. Post-processing. After generating a response, ChatGPT may apply some post-processing steps to refine the output. These steps can include adjusting the length of the response, ensuring grammatical. ChatGPT offers several benefits to students. 24/7 access to information. Students can access ChatGPT anytime, anywhere, providing them with a reliable and immediate source of information. They can seek answers to their questions or clarify doubts even outside of traditional school hours. Personalized learning. ChatGPT can adapt to the individual needs and learning styles of students. It can provide customized explanations, examples, and guidance based on the student's level of understanding, helping them grasp complex concepts more effectively. Enhanced problem solving. ChatGPT can assist students in problem solving by offering step-by-step solutions and walking them through different approaches. It encourages critical thinking and enables students to tackle challenges independently. Language skills development. Interacting with ChatGPT can improve students' language skills, including grammar, vocabulary, and writing abilities. They can practice articulating their thoughts, receive suggestions for improvement, and learn from the model's coherent and well-structured responses. Creativity and imagination. ChatGPT can inspire students with creative ideas and alternative perspectives. It can engage in imaginative conversations, spark curiosity, and encourage students to think outside the box. However, it's important to note that while ChatGPT can be a valuable tool, it should not replace human interaction, guidance from teachers, or the development of critical thinking skills. It's crucial for students to balance their use of AI technology with other educational resources and engage in active learning practices. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you.